This is the flower collected by 10th A wizard, and they got this flower, and they had observed this inner wholes of the flower. So if you look at this flower, the peduncle, this is a green in color, which was attached with a stem of the plant. Then here, this is called a thalamus. This green color bottom part covering is called a thalamus, and this is protecting the inside part of the flowers. So these petals, they are outside, that's why they are known as the outermost whorls, outermost parts of the flower. One more name for the outermost whorl, that is petal, known as corolla. And basically inside this flower, these long structures we are looking at, so most of them are similar. These bunches, they are the male part of the flower, stamen. Upside you are seeing that anther lobes, and beside this one a little bit wider, and that will be distinguished when you will go very innermost part. So you will find that bulgy part, a little bit width they are having. So this tube, that is basically upside portion is different than the anther. So this is a stigma. Then the style that is growing along with the pollen tube, and if we will wither off these petals, so after withering of these petals, that is turn out to be the bottom part ovary. So this is a pistil. So now you are seeing here, this is a pistil, this part. If I will just get off the all stamen also, just only focusing here. So this green colored you are seeing the ovary, and inside that ovary the ovules will be there. They are the germ cells, female. Inside here that there is a deposition of male germ cells, and will be carrying the pollen tube also. And here the fertilization will take place. Pollination will be the first one. Thank you.